We decided to go to Remodel Tile. We did get 3 bids, and they came in the most competitive, so with all services taken care of in one bid, and the price was extremely reasonable. I also appreciate it's a local business, so that was a huge selling point for me. They remodeled 2 bathrooms, all the way down to basically the studs. So new shower, new tubs, new paint, everything. Lighting, electrical, got everything up and modernized. I really appreciated the design touch that BL Tile came in and did. So in trying to figure out alignment of tile in the shower, we had a lot of choices. So working with the tile that we chose, we got different suggestions on how to lay it out. And I appreciated that creative view, since it's not my strong suit, so to know what is best practices, what's being done now, was really helpful to me. It was great. Vitaly has been hands-on from the beginning, came and did the initial estimate and the bid, was clear about what things he would take care of and what things I needed to take care of, and he took care of a lot of things. I was super relieved to be in a new, fresh bathroom. I felt like in my bathroom that I got to design, I felt like I was in a hotel, with a high-end hotel, so that was pretty cool. I was happy with how things turned out. I may not have envisioned it at first, but to see it all come together was a real treat. I'm happy with it. No complaints or issues. Everything works perfectly and looks great. There's a great attention to detail. They are all taken care of. There are no blemishes. I would recommend BL Tile to friends and family.